I just got through servicing every one of these damn reels. Went through all of them, cleaned them, put some pin grease on the gears, oiled them up, got them going good. That's a lose. These are all 5-to-1s here. No, this is a 5-to-1. These are all Bantam reels. My favorite casting reels in the whole world right here. These little Bantam. This is a 5-to-1. This is a Daiwa. It's a 5-to-1. That's the same. This is a lose. This is made by Daiwa. It's all 5-to-1 reels right there. Spinnerbait reels. Topwater reels. You gotta break the slack up quick when you miss one. You know what I'm saying? So the 5-to-1s have got their places, but my go-to tossing reels are these little rascals right here. We fish in the woods and the thickets. Not a whole lot of open water fishing. I just want to share that with y'all. Finally got through. Got all these serviced, ready to go. So we're gonna mount them up. Ain't gonna be long. Get these parts in from this boat. We're gonna be in the lake. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Like I said, Bantam, Bantam, Bantam. Daiwa 5, Daiwa 5-to-1. And another Daiwa, they call it a lose, but that's who made it Daiwa. I mean, you look at it and know it's a damn Daiwa, but it's a good one. Oh, Taka from the wood, baby. Oh, look at him. Look at him right there. What that is, huh? That's Killer himself. Yes, sir. Yes, it is. Yes, sir. That's on a number 2 wild hook right there, y'all. Beautiful thing. Thank y'all for watching. From the shop, in the woods, we'll talk.